Ashley. Ashley. Show me your belly. Show Daddy all your paint on you. Today's September 5, 1991. It's late. It's 10:30. That's not bad. Come here, Ashley. Come here. Show Daddy. Call him. Ashley. Ashley.
Come in here. Shut it off.
And this is my Persian kitty. He sleeps all day now. All day and all night. Just getting a flea bath.
You stay in bed?
Yeah. Oh, look at the finger painter. Here she comes. That's my girl. See, look at that. I'm proud of her finger paint. You like that paint? You gonna dry? She can wipe herself clean. Just making a jumper.